There's a feeling that sometimes we can't quite put into words. It's like watching someone you care about, someone you once shared your soul with, move on. She smiles, she laughs, she seems perfectly fine, as if nothing has ever happened between you two. But underneath all of that, there's a voice in your mind that whispers, she still thinks about you. It's an odd feeling, isn't it? The sensation that while she's acting like everything is fine, something inside her hasn't fully let go. You see the way she carries herself now, like she's embraced a version of herself that doesn't involve you. She might be out there, living her life, meeting new people, doing new things. But there's something so painfully human about this. She acts happy, but she still thinks about you. Maybe you saw it in her eyes when you least expected it, a flicker of something familiar, something deep, something that connects you to her in a way words can't explain. Maybe it was in the way she spoke about the past, or how her laugh sounded when it hit that particular tone you once knew so well. You can tell, even when she's surrounded by people, even when she's pretending, there's a part of her still tied to you, and that's what cuts the deepest. Not the fact that she's moving on, but that she hasn't fully let go. It's this paradox that messes with your mind. You don't want to hold on to false hope, but at the same time, it's impossible not to wonder if she's still holding on to you in some quiet, hidden part of her heart. But this is where you have to let go. You have to let go, not because she's done with you, but because you need to let go of the idea that she's still there, the way she was before. The truth is, while she may think about you, she's also living her life. She's smiling, she's moving forward, and in her own way, she's healing. The question is, are you ready to heal too? It's so easy to fall into the trap of overthinking, to convince yourself that somehow, if you just wait long enough, if you just hold on tight enough, she'll come back. But the reality is far more painful, yet so much more liberating. The truth is, she's acting happy because she's doing what she has to do to survive. She's finding new pieces of herself in places she never expected. And while that may hurt you, that doesn't take away from your worth, from your potential to heal, to grow, and to find a version of happiness that has nothing to do with her. We get stuck in this loop, don't we? That's part of being human. We find ourselves replaying the moments, wondering what went wrong, wishing we could go back and change it. And when we see her smiling, it feels like a slap in the face. Does she think of me the way I think of her? Does she miss me the way I miss her? But here's the thing, you have to remember that her journey is hers, and yours is yours. The real question isn't about whether or not she thinks about you, it's about whether you're willing to free yourself from the chains of the past. Because the longer you hold on to this idea that she's still holding on to you, the longer it will take for you to heal. You're giving away your power, your sense of self, to something that may no longer be part of your future. What if you could just be okay with the fact that she's moving on, that she's found her happiness, even if it's without you? What if you could take this moment and turn it into something that empowers you instead of something that weakens you? The journey you're on right now is not just about trying to figure out whether she still thinks about you. It's about learning to value yourself, learning to heal, and reclaiming your strength, your worth, and your peace. Every single day you spend wondering about her, you're wasting a chance to build a better version of yourself, to step into a future that's waiting for you. Because let's face it, life moves forward, people move forward, and even if she still thinks about you from time to time, the only thing that truly matters is whether you're ready to let go and move forward too. It's heartbreaking, I get it. No one ever expects their heart to break, to feel like someone who was once everything to you becomes a stranger. But what's even more heartbreaking is staying stuck in a loop, constantly thinking about her, constantly wondering what she's doing, how she's feeling. You're hurting yourself over and over again. You're holding on to a version of the past that doesn't exist anymore. And while that's normal, it's also time to let go. Letting go isn't about forgetting her or erasing what you had. It's about accepting that what you had was beautiful, but it's no longer serving either of you. Letting go is about reclaiming your own narrative, your own story. It's about standing up, looking in the mirror, and realizing that the only person who can truly make you happy is you. Now, I know that might sound cliche. We've all heard it before, but it's true. And the sooner you accept that, the sooner you'll find yourself free from the grip of someone else's happiness, someone else's choices, someone else's smile. It's time to start smiling for yourself. It's time to stop looking at her happiness and wondering if it's about you. Because in the end, it's not. It's about her journey and it's about yours. And while she may think about you sometimes, remember, so will you. You'll think about her too, but you'll also learn to let those thoughts pass without grabbing hold of them. You'll learn to live in the moment, to build a life that's yours, one step at a time. You've been through something painful, and that pain will always be part of you. But it doesn't define you. What defines you is how you rise from it, how you let go and move forward, how you reclaim your power. And believe me, you have that power within you. The truth is, you're going to be okay. You're going to find peace. You're going to find a version of happiness that's so much more than anything you ever imagined. And one day, you will look back on this time, and you'll see it for what it truly is. A stepping stone, a lesson, a part of your journey that made you who you are today. So, take a deep breath, let it out, and let go. She's acting happy, yes, but so can you. You just have to decide that it's time. It's time to move on. It's time to stop wondering about her and start living for you. And in the process, you'll find a happiness that doesn't depend on anyone else. It's your happiness. It's your life. Take it back. So, if you've made it this far, maybe you're sitting there right now with that weight still pressing on your chest. Maybe the silence of your room feels louder than ever. Maybe your mind keeps pulling you back to her, her smile, her voice, the way she used to look at you when the world felt still. I know, I've been there. So many people have. But the truth is, you're not alone. Not in this pain, not in this overthinking, not in this aching space between loving someone and learning to let them go. She might be out there pretending everything's fine, laughing, posting pictures, living. But remember this, people don't always wear their pain on their sleeves. Just because she looks happy doesn't mean she hasn't bled in silence the same way you have. And even if she does still think about you, that doesn't mean you need to keep breaking your own heart by staying stuck in a chapter that's already been closed. You deserve a peace that doesn't depend on someone else's presence or absence. You deserve nights where your chest isn't tight and your thoughts aren't spinning. You deserve mornings that begin without checking your phone for a message that never comes. You deserve to heal. Not halfway, not quietly, not eventually, but fully, deeply, loudly in your own soul. And healing doesn't mean forgetting. It means forgiving yourself for loving as deeply as you did. It means choosing yourself now. The road ahead won't be easy. You'll miss her. You'll have days where you stumble. But with each day that passes, you'll grow stronger, softer, yes, but more powerful than you've ever been. Because there's strength in vulnerability. There's power in letting go of someone who once felt like your entire world and choosing to rebuild your own. So let this video be more than just something you watch tonight. Let it be a turning point, a gentle push toward the life waiting for you. Because somewhere, out there, or maybe even within you, there's a version of yourself who is no longer waiting to be remembered. He's learning to remember himself. And when that moment comes, when you finally feel the weight start to lift, when the ache softens into wisdom, when your reflection starts to look like someone you recognize again, know that you made it. Not because she came back, not because she thought about you, but because you showed up for yourself. If this spoke to you, if you felt even a moment of truth in all of this, then maybe this is your sign to stop holding on to the pain and start holding on to you. Quietly, calmly, powerfully. You are not forgotten. You are not invisible. You are not broken. You are simply healing, and I'm proud of you. Take care of your heart. You deserve that much.